Hey y'all, it's Thursday. I'm not staying long at all. Y'all got me a double filet fish sandwich and some French fries. They still a little warm, but they ain't that warm. And I got me a Sprite pop without no star. I hate that. Y'all, I'm just getting back. I left early this morning for taking care. I'm going to go take care of my business, guys, and everything went awesome. God is just so good. You gotta trust God and believe God, y'all. Trust God in confidence, okay? Baby, I prayed before I left, y'all. I prayed y'all before anywhere I go, y'all, I take the time out and I pray. And I have faith when I pray, knowing God is gonna do it. And He did. Just that today. I got like my little purse, y'all, my little clutch purse, whatever it's called. My little pocketbook. I think it's really cute. But I'm not going to stay long because I'm going to try to take me a nap, guys, because I'm kind of tired. But I jumped up this morning, got myself together. I was tired, y'all, but I made it, y'all. I made it. Sometimes the early birds get the worms, y'all. That, that is true. The early birds get the worms, okay? Take one bite of my fish sauce real quick. Then let y'all go. I gotta clean up this stuff, y'all. You know how I do. That's so good, y'all. This is a double filet fish sandwich, y'all, okay? And I haven't had this in a little minute now. In a little minute. It's good, y'all. Oh, I feel. I'm gonna eat fried like this no more. I'm gonna put a little bit in here. I'm gonna deep fry. I'm gonna fry them done for real. All right, that's it. Oh. Excuse your girl. But I just had to get myself y'all right, okay? But I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all on my next video. Y'all, please subscribe to your girl. Subscribe to Shonda YouTube. And tonight gonna be story time. You're gonna miss it.